because I am worthy to receive the kind of love that you give. But I'm grateful for your mercy, and I'm grateful for your grace. And because of how you put out yourself, I have come to sing this song out in praise. Imela,
Imela,
Imela, O Kaka, onye keruwa. Imela,
Imela,
Imela, Esemo. Who am I to sing your praises? Who am I to worship you? It's your blood that makes the difference in me, and made a way to enter your throne. I could not come near your presence. I could never sing your song. But the sacrifice on Calvary's tree is the reason I can cry out today. Imela,
Imela,
Imela, O Kaka, onye keruwa. Imela,
Imela,
Imela, Esemo. Imela,
Imela,
Imela, O Kaka, onye keruwa. Imela,
Imela,
Imela, Esemo.